In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove installed apps from your Android phone. Today, I'll show you two methods that you can use to remove installed apps from your phone. For the first method, just open up your settings app. After that, scroll down, then go to apps option, and then find the app that you want to remove from your phone. Here you can find your all the installed apps. Suppose if I select Instagram, and at the bottom you can see uninstall option. Just tap on uninstall. Now if you tap on OK, then the app will be removed from your phone. Now for the second method, just go back and then go to app screen. Suppose if you want to remove Instagram from your phone, just touch and hold it and then tap on this uninstall option, then tap on OK, and you can see it's uninstalled successfully. And that is how you can remove installed apps from your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.